Hello everyone, my name is Sanket and welcome to the new video. So in this video, we are going to talk about a lot of things. This will be having a lot of last week's news and everything, but I specifically wanted to check on the funding status, acquisition status and all. So I included a lot of news from that particular segment, right? For example, how Ayushman Khurana got like 400% return on one of his investment in men's grooming products, that is the Man Company and all, right? Like then how Rapido raised $200 million, etc. And after that, we'll be looking at Meta, Google, and Amazon as we usually do. So let's get started. But before we start the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you already have not. So first thing first, Ayushman Khurana booked 400% returns on his angel investment in the Man Company, which was acquired at a valuation of 400 crore rupees. So Ayushman Khurana invested into the brand in 2018 and served as both an investor and brand ambassador. So I remember back then, people used to get only equity and they would not be putting real cash into it. So I'm not very sure how much money he invested, whether he invested it or not, right? So yeah, that is something that we'll need to check once. But yeah, he got like 400% return in just 6 years. That's really good. But I feel that in this 5 to 6 years, stock market would also be, let's say someone in small caps and mid cap would also be giving some sort of same return. So 400% is not like crazy return, but it's not small return as well. So great job, Ayushman, there. And celebrity investment in startups are on the rise with figures like Deepika Padukone, Kareena Kapoor, and Akshay Kumar also making moves. That's really good. Next one is interesting. Canva is facing criticism after increasing its Canva team subscription prices by wow 300%. That's really crazy hike over there. Customer report subscription prices rising from $120 to $500 annually in some cases. That's really big. This thing. Canva justifies the price hike with new tool, particularly generative AI features, as part of its expanded product experience. And yeah, a lot of people are not liking it. And so in our agency we use Canva and Adobe Suite both as well, right? So Canva definitely has certain use case where it can be used very well, and Adobe will have their own use case, right? So yeah, I mean it will going to increase the prices of design and everything, but yeah, I mean let's see what happens. Next one is interesting. So Rapido secured $200 million in funding led by Westbridge Capital, crossing a valuation of $1.1 billion. And hence now, welcome to Unicorn Club Rapido. These funds will be used to expand their four-wheeler taxi service, competing with Ola and Uber. Now, this is something that I did not like specifically because Rapido into two-wheeler is that's very uniqueness that they have, right? So now with this investment, they are going into four-wheeler taxis and all. But I feel that for from a consumer point of view, there will be third service provider, that is Rapido, and it will definitely give very good uh, competition to the existing two players. So we'll need to see how it turn out. Apart from that, Rapido is also entering the quick commerce space using its two-wheeler fleet for hyper-local delivery. That's really good segment that they have, captured. The company fulfills 2.3 to 2.5 million orders daily, with plans to expand aggressively in the four-wheeler category as well. Next one, this is going to put a lot of peer pressure on Amazon and Flipkart. So Nykaa has launched Nykaa Now, offering 3-hour delivery for cosmetics in select pin codes. So this will be mostly tier one. They must be starting from Mumbai, Bangalore, Delhi, Chennai, those metropolis, right? So they're offering 3-hour delivery for cosmetics in selected pin codes. And yeah, if you want to buy something interesting for your beauty personal care needs, like now can deliver in 3 hours. That's really good. But wait, don't Zepto and Blinkit do it already? Yeah, they do. So this is very interesting thing to see how this will be turned around. So we'll keep an eye on that and keeping you guys updated. So this move follows the quick commerce trend already embraced by Blinkit, Zepto, and Flipkart Minutes. Flipkart Minutes, I think it is only available in Bangalore. So yeah, quick commerce is reshaping the e-commerce landscape, pushing brands to adapt faster delivery option. Although this quick commerce and all is taking a lot of this thing, but I'm not very sure how the longevity of the this quick commerce, the average ticket size and the cost to deliver and all is something that they need to figure it out. So let's see what happens. Next one, Versa Innovation, parent company of Daily Hunt and Josh acquired digital marketing firm Value Leaf in cash and stock deal. This acquisition is expected to generate an additional $100 million in revenue with 10% EBITDA margin by financial year 25. Value Leaf brings 15 years of performance data and supply side integration with over 50,000 websites and 1,000 apps. That's really big. Next one is a little bit positive and negative both. So Indian e-commerce unicorns recorded $7 billion in revenue, but spent $7.9 billion in financial year 23. So approximately lost $1 billion. Employee costs surged by 30% with unicorns spending over $1 billion on employee benefits. Right. So yeah, I mean, employee cost is very big cost over here, and the benefit is also big, $1 billion. So not bad. This money is percolated to the people again, and they will be spending. So that's really good thing. Despite rising expenses, net losses dropped by 23%, indicating improving financial discipline amidst funding challenges. So that's really good. Next one is interesting. This was one of my favorite coffee brand earlier. Now it's very expensive, so I just drink Nescafe. But yeah, specialty coffee brand Blue Tokai raised $35 million in Series C funding led by Worley Invest. Funds will be used to expand into Tier 1 and Tier 2 cities with plans to increase store count from 130 to 350 in the next 3 years. So yeah, 350 stores. That will definitely give them at least it should increase their revenue by uh, 2.5x to 2x. So let's see. This company competes with Third Wave Coffee, Slay Coffee, and Sleepy Owl, among others. So that's really good. Slay Coffee, I worked with Slay Coffee for a short period of time, but they do very well. So let's see how it turned around. Next one is coming from personal care and beauty again. Pilgrim secured $9 million in extended Series B round, led by Fireside Ventures and Vertex Ventures. This one will be bolster market presence and fuel strategic growth, focusing on expanding their product offering across skincare, hair care, and fragrances. Fireside Venture is now the largest stakeholder, holding a 23% equity in the company. All right, so this one probably you would love a lot. Amazon has teased its great sale. Amazon has teased its largest sale of the year, the Great Indian Festival, expected to run concurrently with Flipkart's Big Billion Days. Flipkart won't like this for sure. Let's see what happens. But yeah, this will be good for consumer because they will compete for more sale and everything. So they'll giving a lot of discounts. So it's something that we need to see. Deals on smartphones, electronics, home appliances, and more are anticipated with early access for Prime users. A major discount again, we all know. And I feel that, whenever this kind of sales happens, a lot of my friends buy iPhones, mostly iPhones and iPhones and electronic gadgets and all. So it should not call the Great Indian Festival Sale. It should be called the Great Indian Gadget Sale. That would be more appropriate. So yeah, it always do well for our clients on Amazon, but this definitely gives some pain for a week or 1.5 week to the D2C brands because a lot of people invest their money into gadgets in this sale. So let's see what happens. Amazon targets $5 billion worth of product to be exported in 2024, up from $3 billion in 2023. That's really good. And apart from that, if you haven't watched my video in government's policy to be coming in September, so this is like in this is like in same line with the government, so that's really good. The initiative is part of the Amazon Global Selling Program, enabling small Indian manufacturers to sell internationally. They'll be focusing like textiles, jewelry, Ayurveda product, etc. Small, but not a bad thing. So $5 billion is really good. That will create a lot of rich entrepreneurs. So yeah, let's see. Now, UK regulators are behind Google like nothing, right? So, UK's Competition Market Authority provisionally found guilty. So, yeah, of anti-competitive practices in the digital ad sector. Google allegedly used its domains to favor its own ad exchange, harming British publishers and advertisers. I don't know what is happening in India if they do this kind of stuff in India as well. So, yeah, UK regulators are behind these people very, badly. Google disagree with the finding and plans to respond as similar investigation continues in the EU and US. Let's see what happens. Meta is preparing to comply with the EU's Digital Markets Act by integrating third-party messaging apps with WhatsApp and Messengers. The integration will include voice and video calling as well as rich messaging feature like reaction and read receipts. This move is expected to open up interoperability between messaging platform in the EU. Interesting. All right, Snapchat will roll out ads across the app, including in chats, the Spotlight feature, and within its AI chatbot, so it will be everywhere. Sponsored Snap will appear as unread messages in the chat tab, marking the first time ads have entered in this space. The changes are part of Snapchat's strategy to boost revenue and appease investors. So that's really interesting. Do let me know in the comment section if you are actively, using Snapchat for your brand and how is the response of those ads? Is it like comparable with your Meta or Google, or it's just some sort of a test platform for you? So that's it in this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share with your colleague, and follow us on Instagram and LinkedIn. Visit our website at www.romagnet.com. If you wish to do career with us, shoot an email to hr@romagnet.com. If you want to hire us as a agency, shoot an email to pratik@romagnet.com. That's it in this video. Thank you very much.